Hi, I'm Grace, and welcome to Thrive After 60. Have you ever stood at the fish counter and just felt a little lost? So many choices, so many labels, and no one really tells you which ones are actually good for you after 60. I understand how that feels. Some fish may quietly support your heart and brain, while others are better enjoyed less often. So today, I want to walk through that counter with you. 10 fish worth a second look, and a few you might want to think twice about. After 60, our bodies begin to ask for a little more support, especially our heart, brain, and muscles. And the right types of fish can quietly help with all three. Now here's the good news. You don't need anything fancy. Just a little awareness when you're choosing. So many of you have written in asking about this exact topic. And stay with me, because later in this video, I'll show you a popular fish that surprises a lot of people. It's not quite what it seems. One small habit. That's really where this begins. Just a gentle reminder before we continue. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not medical advice, and everyone's body is different. If you have specific health concerns, please speak with a qualified healthcare professional. Let's start with the ones I genuinely believe deserve a place on your table. Wild salmon, rich in omega-3 fats. These healthy fats may support heart and brain health as we age. Try baking it simply with lemon and herbs. Sardines, small, humble, and often overlooked. But here's what most people don't realize. Sardines are naturally low in mercury and rich in omega-3s and calcium. Sardine toast makes a simple, healthy lunch. Because here's something worth knowing. Smaller fish often carry fewer contaminants, like mercury, simply because they live shorter lives. Herring, oily, nutrient-dense, and an easy way to increase your omega-3 intake during the week. Rainbow trout, a lean, freshwater fish that's generally lower in contaminants. Simple herbs and a light pan fry bring out its best flavor. Smaller mackerel, Atlantic or Spanish, not king. They're rich in omega-3s and make a great weekly option. Anchovies, tiny, oily, and among the lowest in mercury. They work beautifully in salads, dressings, or sauces. Now, want to know the best part? Health experts often suggest about 2 servings of oily fish per week. Nothing complicated, just a simple rhythm. And research has linked regular fish intake in older adults with better heart health, memory, and muscle strength. Small plate, big impact. Now, let's gently shift gears. These aren't foods to fear, just ones to enjoy a little less often. Swordfish, beautiful on a plate, but it can contain higher mercury levels. Many people choose to eat it only occasionally. King mackerel. This is different from the smaller varieties. King mackerel runs higher in mercury, so it's best limited. Tilefish, especially from the Gulf of Mexico. Not very common, but worth knowing to limit if you see it on a menu or market. Some farmed fish, including certain salmon and tilapia. Now, this next part may surprise you. Not all farmed fish are the same. Depending on how they're raised, some may have different fat quality or different contaminant levels compared to wild fish. I can already hear some of you thinking, isn't this getting a little complicated? I promise it really isn't. And here's the surprise I mentioned earlier. Salmon itself can be confusing. Wild and farmed salmon may look nearly identical, but their nutrition story can be quite different. When possible, look for labels like wild caught or choose trusted sources. Awareness beats guesswork. Every time. I once knew someone who avoided fish completely because it felt too complicated. But once she learned just a few simple names to look for, fish became one of her easiest, most enjoyable meals. Try rotating your fish choices during the week instead of eating the same one repeatedly. If you eat locally caught fish, check local safety guidance when possible. And keep cooking simple. Baking, grilling, or gentle steaming helps preserve those healthy omega-3 fats. Simple, doable, and it works. So there you have it. 10 fish worth a second look. Some to enjoy more often, and a few to enjoy in moderation. Nothing about this needs to be complicated. I truly believe a small, simple change at the fish counter, once or twice a week, can be a gentle gift to your heart, your brain, and your muscles. And if you take blood thinners or have any health concerns, it's always best to check with your doctor. This is for you. Take care of yourself. You deserve it. If this was helpful, I'd love it if you gave the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. I share simple wellness tips every week for people just like you.